Fusion markets.
In this video, I will show you how to measure time and price movement on TradingView. There's an icon on the left panel of your TradingView. You can click the date and price range. You can mark it as favorites, and this tool shows over here. You may use this tool to measure the time and price movement for Bitcoin, such as when the bull run starts and ends. So, this is the total period of the bull run, and the total price appreciation of Bitcoin during the bull run, which is 44.20%, and the total period that took Bitcoin to reach that price is equal to 15 days. Then, the Bitcoin went on to a bear run. This is the bear run of the market, and that was for 11 days, with 17.19%. That's how we can measure the time and price movement from a TradingView.